Looking for the right vehicle? Check out
The 2013 Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 miles per gallon. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, wheel covers, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel drive, mud guards. Your new ride is just a phone call away.